For me, mentorship is about inspiring the next generation to think about the possibilities of what design could bring to the world.
The Lexus Design Award for me is a platform that goes beyond the award. It's almost like a small school or studio.
One of the things that I was so impressed with the finalists was the magnitude of challenges they were trying to solve.
This special membrane that captures and cleans the air.
A new type of medical device to help people naturally clean. They are trying to solve very large problems. It's not just about making a beautiful chair. And that's precisely what the Hero zero-emission plane concept is all about. It is trying to inspire the next generation of designers to tackle larger problems and larger issues.
We always start in any project questioning larger issues. For example, in the Final Forum's case, the goal of the design was to really create a cultural center in the heart of Miami Beach, a kind of symbolic gesture.
Lexus pushes design and technology forward as a core of who they are. I think the LF30 is an example of using design and technology to make the world a better place. The goal is to nourish a younger generation of designer. I mean, the most we can do is to lay a foundation of ethical behavior, of doing the very best work you can possibly do while being the very best person you can possibly be.
The fact that this award actually exists, the fact that there are a lot of applicants really trying to communicate their ambition and solutions is a great sign of architecture and design.